We all want to live a healthy life, which means we need to maintain an appropriate exercise and nutritional routine. This is another video to help you understand the best tips, facts, and hacks to do just that. The push-up is a key component of any efficient fitness plan. It's a simple but effective strength-building exercise. Push-ups can be a great method to improve your fitness level without having to utilize any training equipment, pay for a gym membership, or rely on anything other than your body weight to achieve building lean muscle results. Even if they aren't your favorite, they are among the most effective exercises that provide some of the greatest benefits. It's essentially an all-body workout that targets several muscular groups, including the abdominal, chest, core, legs, arms, and shoulders. We'll be talking about the 9 benefits of doing push-ups every day in today's video, so stay with us throughout the video, but before beginning, be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the latest video updates. So, let's get this started. Number 1. It strengthens your joints and bones. Push-ups not only help to strengthen muscles, but also aid in the development of your body's supporting components. Regular push-ups will help strengthen the elbows and shoulders over time, since they require activation at those joint locations. They accomplish this by successfully improving the strength of the muscles and tendons around the shoulder joints. Push-ups are also good for improving and maintaining bone strength because they're a bodyweight workout. Push-ups are a must-add exercise for any strength training plan because of these benefits. Number 2. It improves your cardiovascular health. Push-ups are also a good way to raise your heart rate. Push-ups are typically used to increase muscular strength, but they can also benefit your cardiovascular health. Remember that push-ups work numerous muscles at the same time, also known as a compound workout. To pump adequate blood and oxygen throughout your body, your heart will have to work harder. Push-ups will keep your heart strong if you do them regularly, making them very beneficial to any high-intensity interval training plan. Push-ups will also help reduce stored body fat, as your body will burn the fat for energy due to the activation of all your large muscle groups being engaged at once. Number 3. It helps to lose weight. Another benefit of regular push-ups is that they help you burn fat and lose weight. Push-ups can help you burn calories and fat faster and safer than a lot of our exercises. One way push-ups burn more calories and fat is because this exercise uses a lot of energy and utilizes several large muscles in such a short amount of time. Here are a few other ways push-ups will burn more fat. If you continuously increase the number of reps you complete over time. Use different variations to increase the difficulty of the exercise. Complete the push-ups as quickly as possible to simulate high-intensity interval training. Complete the push-ups at a very slow rate and pause in the down and up position for 2 to 3 seconds. Number 4. It strengthens your core. Regular push-ups in the traditional sense are good for developing upper body strength. They put a lot of strain on the triceps, pectorals, and shoulders. By working the abdominal muscles, they also can help to strengthen the lower back and core when performed with perfect technique. Here are a few push-up variations that are simple and effective exercises for increasing muscle mass, strength, and core. The climber push-up. Start in the plank position, engage your abs, and then extend your arms up to the push-up position. Complete a push-up and return to the plank position. That's 1. Repeat until you can't do any more. 2 to 3 sets will do the trick. Spider-Man push-ups. Start in the push-up position with your feet together. As you perform the push-up, start to lower yourself to the ground. Bring your right knee towards your right elbow. Keep your knee and body off the ground and your core engaged. Then move back to the starting position and repeat this time with the left knee. Target 2 to 3 sets of 10 reps. T push-ups. To perform the T push-ups, start at the top of your push-up position. Engage your abs and core. Then lower your chest to the ground between your arms and hands. Then push back up to the starting position and rotate to your side and lift one arm straight up in the air while you balance on one leg. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds and slowly rotate back down to the starting up position. Repeat with the opposite arm for the up position. You want to target 2 to 3 sets of 10 reps for this exercise. Number 5. It improves posture and flexibility. Push-ups daily will also help you become more flexible. When you drop your body to the floor, you get to stretch your back muscles. When you lift your body weight, you stretch your bicep muscles in the same way. These exercises can help you become more flexible. Push-ups also assist to correct poor posture, especially in people who spend the majority of their time sitting. When you do push-ups correctly, the muscles that support your posture are strengthened and fine-tuned. Push-ups have been proven to help you improve your posture by activating and strengthening your core muscles and large muscle groups. As you develop these large muscle groups and a strong vertical core, your body will automatically move towards better posture. Improving your posture is one of the most overlooked benefits of performing push-ups daily. Number 6. Increase whole body muscle definition. Another benefit of daily push-ups is that it increases your whole body muscle definition. Several major stabilizing muscles are engaged during the movement of a push-up. Another major benefit from push-ups is HGH, the creation and release of a specific hormone in the human body known as human growth hormone increases as more muscle mass is used in a strength training exercise. Your body creates and releases a large amount of this specific hormone as a young man or woman to promote the natural growth of your entire body. However, the natural release of human growth hormone decreases as you get older, making muscle growth difficult for seniors. The creation and release of human growth hormones are activated when a large number of muscles are required, which leads to new muscle growth. To receive the highest amount of benefit from push-ups, you must add this to your weekly training routine. Number 7. It protects your shoulders from injury. Another major advantage of adding push-ups to your daily training routine is that it improves your shoulder strength significantly. Now, having stronger shoulders is a plus as strong shoulders are needed in a lot of compound workouts and allow you to lift heavier weights more easily. Stronger shoulders are very beneficial not just in lifting heavier weights to grow more muscle mass and burn fat, but also to help you avoid injuries as you become older. As you become older, your shoulders are more vulnerable to damage and injuries, particularly rotator cuff injuries, which can cause a lot of discomfort and render you completely immobile or prevent you from completing specific workouts. Push-ups help to strengthen the muscles that support your shoulder joints, which helps prevent rotator cuff issues. Plus, push-ups keep your shoulders moving, making them more flexible and allowing them to move as freely as possible. Be sure to always stretch your shoulders before and after workouts, and start with lightweight and transition to heavier weight as you warm up your shoulders, joints, and tendons. This is a must to avoid shoulder injury and setbacks with your training. Number 8. It prevents lower back injuries. There may be only a few injuries you can suffer that might be more painful and incapacitating than a lower back injury. Your back muscles are a key component of your body that supports virtually every action. A minor back injury can make the simplest tasks unbearably painful if you're suffering from any type of back injury. Push-ups require the stabilization of your complete torso's movements, which helps strengthen this area of the body. You need to focus on the muscles responsible for minimizing lower back pressure by building strength in this area of your body, which is critical for preventing and treating lower back injuries in your training and daily routines. When performing push-ups, you want to focus on getting your chest as low to the ground as you can without touching the ground. The lower and deeper you go, the more you activate and engage your back muscles. Some people like to use a medicine ball when performing push-ups by placing their hands on the medicine ball to engage their core while giving them more distance to the ground to get a deeper activation. Another option is to perform push-ups with your back feet elevated on something that provides you to be at a 45-degree angle with your feet and legs higher than your arms. This also provides more weight resistance to push-up and allows for a deeper activation movement. Number 9. It increases testosterone and reduces osteoporosis development. As discussed in previous videos, testosterone is the most critical hormone for a man's body and is responsible for building muscle, strong bones, along with other key components. The amount of testosterone starts to decline as men and women age. However, the reduction in testosterone is the most impactful in men. The good news is the simple movements of a conventional push-up increase testosterone production naturally, which is necessary for both men and women to maintain a healthy body. Weight-bearing workouts, such as the standard push-up, also help to build stronger, more dense bones. Increased bone density may help to prevent debilitating skeletal system illnesses like osteoporosis. People are at risk of osteoporosis as they age. This is why it's so important to establish a healthy training program to mitigate the risk of osteoporosis as you get older. Remember, you don't need to lift heavy to strengthen your bones. You just need to use simple, standard weight-bearing workouts, and push-ups have been proven to be one of the best for preventing the risk of osteoporosis when performed regularly. That's all for today's video. Let us know if you have any questions related to the benefits of incorporating push-ups into your training routine. Again, there are numerous benefits of completing push-ups daily. Let us know in the comments section what benefits you've experienced and how long you've been using them in your training routine. Be sure to like and share the video so that you can help others in meeting their fitness goals as well. Drop a comment down below, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more health and nutrition updates. See you in the next video.